Saving money in GTA Online can enhance your gaming experience. Here are some effective strategies. Number one, focus on heists. All right, so basically, participate in heists, especially the Pacific Standard Job and the Doomsday Heist. They offer substantial payouts when completed successfully. All right. Number two, daily objectives. Complete your daily objectives for small cash rewards. Stacking them for a week can yield a nice bonus. Number three, participate in events. Take part in time-limited events and promotions, all right, which often double or triple rewards on your missions and jobs. All right, number four, invest in businesses. Purchase and operate businesses like motorcycle clubs or gun running facilities. These can generate passive income over time. Number five, use free vehicles. So take advantage of the free vehicles available during events or promotions instead of purchasing expensive ones. Number six, avoid unnecessary purchases. All right, so resist the urge to buy every new item or vehicle. Focus on what enhances your gameplay and saves you money. Number seven, join a crew. Team up with friends or a crew to tackle missions together. Coordinate efforts to get better success rate on rewards. By following these tips, you can save money and build your wealth in GTA Online effectively.